Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the service indicator on a Smart 450. Let's get started. And this button right here is what you'll need. You'll have to press it on the back. To reset the service, we need this one button here at the back. We turn the ignition on, select the service option, turn the ignition off, press the button, and then turn the ignition back on. We need to wait a bit. This has to happen really quick here. And now we've reset it. Let go of the button, turn the ignition off. Yes guys, you have to do this whole thing really quickly. That means, once again, you turn the ignition on. The mileage appears, press, even if it doesn't matter whether it appears or not. We'll turn the ignition off again now. Alright, now we'll go ahead and switch the ignition back on. Quickly press the service reminder button, then turn the ignition off, press the button, and finally turn the ignition back on again. Do it really quickly. If it doesn't work sometimes, just keep trying. It'll work eventually. And that's how you reset the service. Yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit like, subscribe, see you next time. Bye for now.